Starting an organic garden does not begin with planting. It begins with a plan. The first secret to a successful garden is choosing the right sunlight. The first secret: healthy gardens grow from healthy soil, not from luck. Before you plant, choose the setup that fits your yard, your budget, and your goals. Raised beds are one of the easiest ways for beginners to control soil, drainage, and weeds. A great garden bed is more than dirt. It is a living system. You do not need dozens of tools to start. You just need the right basics.
Start with easy crops that grow fast and build your confidence.
Plant gently, space carefully, and let the soil do its job. Plant gently. Newly planted seeds need moisture, not drowning. Every great garden begins with small signs of life.
While your seedlings grow above the surface, an entire hidden world is working below it. A healthy garden does not work alone. Nature helps you when you build the right environment. A healthy garden.
This is the reward for good planning, healthy soil, and consistent care. Start with sunlight, build living soil, plant wisely, and your backyard can feed your future.